Greetings. This is Dr. Kimberly J., founder of Soul to Soul Healing Institute. And if you have found your way here, trust that you are exactly where you need to be. You did not land here by accident. This is a deeper ancestral call that has guided you to this space. Welcome to the Black Women's Identities, Spirits, and Spiritualities Summer Intensive. This program was created for Black women who are ready to go deeper. Women who are asking themselves, who am I? Why am I here? What is my purpose? And women who understand that these questions cannot be answered without first understanding our histories. This is not a space for spiritual bypassing. Together, we confront the realities of Black women's lived experiences. We acknowledge the pain, trauma, and historical harm that have impacted our bodies, our identities, and our communities. But we also remember that our stories do not begin with suffering. They are also rooted in wisdom, healing, resilience, and medicine. In the spirit of Sankofa, we go back and retrieve what we need in order to move forward. We reclaim our histories, our spiritual traditions, and our relationship to and with the divine. This journey is what I call the Great Return, a return to our divinity, a return to truth, a return to rest, joy, reciprocity, and purpose. A return to the wisdom of our ancestors and the medicine that already lives within us. I created this program because throughout my own journey as a scholar, a spiritual healing practitioner, and a Black woman, I searched for us in spiritual texts, in academic spaces, and in conversations about healing. And far too often, I found erasure. I found our stories blatantly missing. I found very few spaces where Black women could see themselves reflected as sacred. So I created this space I wished had existed. This is where spirituality, scholarship, and embodied practice meet. And together, we deepen our knowledge of self and reclaim the wisdom and spiritual technologies needed to create new ways of being in relationship with ourselves, our families, our communities, and the world at large. If something within you in this moment is being activated, and you are ready to explore your own identities, spirits, and spiritualities, and those of your lineages, I invite you to join us for the Summer Intensive. I would be honored to walk alongside you as you begin, and for so many of you, continue your great return.